Students, in this video we'll learn about pivot table. It is a unique feature provided by Microsoft Excel. Then what is pivot table? Actually, pivot table is a powerful tool for consolidating, summarizing and presenting data. Whatever data we have, we can present them in summarized form. Okay students, so before starting work with pivot table, first I'm going to explain that what I have taken data for pivot table here, that is the data related to Raman House. I've taken for example that you can understand this well. Here 12 students are there. You can see in serial number 12 students are there. Name of the students here it has been given: Mohit, Aman, Prakash, Sharika, Samir, Akanksha, Priya, Akash, Naman, Krishna, Rasmi, Suman. Now in next column, its heading is class. You can see each student's class has been given, but that is not in arranged form. So here these students are related to class 5 to 8. Each student's class just in front of him or her has been given, and in the last column points has been given. They scored point for their house. So each students scored some points. That points in front of in point column it has been given. Okay students, so now we will move on pivot table. Before that I am going to explain one more thing, that when we will discuss about pivot table and we will work with pivot table, these field names are very important. So any type of arranging in pivot table, these fields name are very important. We shifted these names and data is also shifted in different place according to as we are shifting its field name. Okay students, now we are moving on pivot table. For that we are going in insert tab, and here we can get in table group pivot table is present. After clicking here we can get two options here, pivot table and pivot chart. We are clicking on pivot table. You can see create pivot table dialog box is appear, and you can see our data has been selected automatically. You can see select a table range, it is already selected. Use an external data source. We can use external data source, but we are not using this one. Choose where you want the pivot table report to be placed. It should be in new worksheet, it is better for that. So you can see here it is selected already, or we can get all the output in existing worksheet, but now we are not able to do that one as we are new and we are going to learn. So shifting of this pivot table is in new worksheet is better. So now we are clicking on that one, OK button. After then you can see that one extra sheet we are getting, that is sheet number 1 it has been given, and that is our original sheet where data has been given. So now we are moving on Pivot table. Here you can see pivot table is available, but no data is available here. How can data will appear here? We will use for that one. Here you can see in the right side pivot table field list has been given, so you can see all four lists, field list and field name has been given here. So uh, we are going to move that one in here. Four box has been given, so we will select them and we will shift them, and after then we see how our data will be represented after clicking that one. So first I'm clicking on points field. You can see that it is automatically go in values where sum of points has been given. That means automatically it added these points. So you can see in pivot table our first result is there, sum of points. That means as we selecting our field name in pivot table, and in pivot table data is shifting according to that one. Okay students, now again I am selecting class. You can see this is shifted in row labels, so our data is in the row form. First I am selecting this one and providing it all table. By this we can, you can see here class 5 16 point, class 6 19 point, class 7 12 point, and class 8 16 point, and grand total is 63. Okay students, is it clear? It is row wise our data is here. Now students, again I am clicking on name of the students. You can see that now the name of students is also added here. The students related to class 5 are coming under 5, class 5 row. Students of class 6 coming under class 6, class 7 coming under class 7, and students of class 8 coming under class 8. And each student's points has been given in front of him or her. You can see in this table, in pivot table. So it is separated by class 5, class 6, class 7, and class 8 students. Okay students, now I am shifting this one name of the students in column. By this you can see all these names are coming just like column. You can see all these names are presenting in column. These 12 students are now in column way. Okay students, so if I am shifting this one, so all the data will be in column because of column label. You can see here data has been given in column way by the use of right arrow key. You can see all the data in the column it has been given. Now I am coming on the first, and now I am shifting the name of students in row, and that is the result what we require. It has been given just like your data, whatever data has been given, that data is not same like this one, but presentation of data is as the same. Okay students, so you can see our names are in row labels. That's why you can see in the row their name has been given, and class are in column labels. That's why 5 to 8 class in the column, and the points are in front of the students from which class they are belonging to, and in that column their marks are, sorry, their points are available. You can see all these things. Okay students, with the help of pivot table you can also present your data, and by this way you can shifting these field, you can uh, arrange your data according to your way, or you can represent your data in summarized way as you want. Okay students, this video is over here.